example that is now coming over asking for the demand of a special parliament session. Now, here is what Supriya Sule seems to be of the opinion, saying that they couldn't sign the letter while they were on a tour and saying that they were on a multi-nation tour when this plea was raised for a special parliament session. And Supriya Sule says that they waited as it was a matter of national security, but they wanted to return before demanding the session of parliament. Let's get in a word from Rucha, who's with us right now. So, Rucha, on Sharad Pawar not signing the joint letter of the Congress-led opposition bloc demanding a special parliament session, and on Pahalgam attack, the NCP-SP working president Supriya Sule had said that she was unable to sign it as she was also part of the multi-party delegation.
Well, Supriya Sule has clarified that nobody could attend the meeting only because the party's leaders, including herself, were on multi-nation delegation abroad, and now that she is back, she is still saying that once the multi-nation delegation's work is over, then only we can think about this for demanding a special parliament session. Now, previously we have seen that Sharad Pawar had taken a stand. He had said that it is not necessary to conduct a parliament session to discuss these things because these are the concerns that are about national security, and these things should be kept private. There should be secrecy maintained, is what Sharad Pawar had mentioned earlier. He has been defense minister of this country, and coming this from him was seen as senior leaders' opinion, and the opposition was also demanding parliament session, while the party NCP-SP also belongs to the opposition, had a different opinion. Now, Supriya Sule had clarified that they are not against calling for a parliament session, but once the work of this special
upcoming parliament session, monsoon session, that would be taking place expected in the month of July. However, Rucha, thank you very much for joining in. As far as the MP here is concerned, where the questions that have been raised over the special session of Parliament, that is a demand, one of the demands that were kept forth by the opposition parties. Here's what she had to say.
हा पक्षांचा प्रश्न आहे, कोणते कुटुंब या संदर्भात निर्णय घेऊ शकत नाही.
स्वागत है, नहीं लोकशाही है, प्रत्येकाला बोलायचा अधिकार है.
मैम ऑपरेशन सिंदूर पे विपक्ष के दलों ने मांग की कि स्पेशल सत्र बुलाया जाए. एनसीपी-एसपी उनके साथ नहीं. क्या मत है इस विषय पे?
देखिए, मैं प्रदेश में थी जब ये खत आया. मैं बड़ी विनम्रता से कांग्रेस को मैं विनती कर रही थी कि हम अभी डेलीगेशन ऑल पार्टी चल रहा है, हम 2-3 दिन में वापस आएंगे. वापस आने के बाद हम लोग मिल के मांग करेंगे. एक तरफ हम ऑपरेशन सिंदूर में ऑल पार्टी डेलीगेशन में दुनिया में 7 ग्रुप्स घूम रहे हैं, और एक तरफ हम ये सेशन मांगेंगे. तो मुझे लग रहा था कि ये ठीक नहीं है, ये नेशनल सिक्योरिटी का इशू है. तो मैंने कांग्रेस से विनती भी की थी कि आप 2-4 दिन रुकिए सिर्फ. मैं 2-3 दिन में ही वापस आ रही हूँ. सारे 7 डेलीगेशन वापस आने दीजिए, उसके बाद हम मांगेंगे सब साथ मिलके. लेकिन उसके पहले ये मीटिंग हो गई, इसलिए हमने साइन नहीं किया.
राज ठाकरे और उद्धव ठाकरे साथ आ सकते हैं. और
Well, the MP clarifying that she wasn't in the country, she was part of the multi-nation delegation that were sending out the message of Operation Sindoor and exposing Pakistan globally. With that, we head into a short break.